Hello, hi. Welcome to our AdCAD Tech Technologies. Okay, so today onwards, I will starting Photoshop 2026 series. Okay, now today I will explain about interface of Photoshop. Right. First, you select Start button here and select Adobe Photoshop 2026. This is our latest version. Okay. Now, after opening the Photoshop 2026, just you have to showing like this is our welcome screen here. Okay. This is known as a logo of the Photoshop PS. This is the, and this part is known as a menu bar. Why? Because here you have to seeing n number of menu commands for creating the designing outputs. Okay. Here let us come to the this part of the portion. Here these two options will be showing. One is a new file and the second one is a open. So new file. So what is the meaning of new file means? For suppose if you want to create a new page. So why it is creating new page means actually in MS Office or other applications, by default A4 sheet it will showing, but what happen in Photoshop we can't see the that type of the pages. Why? Means here Photoshop is nothing but what? Image editing application. That means for suppose I want to create a stamp size photo. Stamp size photo size is different, passport size photo size is different, postcard, profile size, maxi size, frame size, banner, poster, posting, YouTube thumbnails, and what the commercial part like invitations, ID cards, visiting card, album designing, each and everything is showing a quite different sizes. So that's why that Adobe company is declared. So if you want to what size you require, so go and create that customized sizes. Okay. సో మనకి ఫోటోషాప్లో మనకి ఏ సైజ్ కావాలంటే ఆ సైజ్ని ఇక్కడ న్యూ ఫైల్ అనే ఆప్షన్తో క్రియేట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. జస్ట్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు క్లిక్ హియర్. It will show new document dialog box here. So this part of the portion is what? A recent file. Recent means it will using a current pages. Last in my last classes నేను ఏదైతే సైజెస్ యూజ్ చేశానో సో దట్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ ద సైజెస్ విల్ బి షోయింగ్ లైక్ దిస్ హియర్. ఓకే, దిస్ ఈస్ known as a recent files, and here this is the saved files. Which file you have to store that one? So just you have to go through this one, and here photo having different sizes is there, and print having the different sizes here, and art illustration, that means logos, any type of the outline designs. Okay, so that type of the sizes will be appear here. Web means for suppose I want to create web layout, so you have to using this current page, and this is mobile for what? So for development of the mobile applications, and like films and videos. In that films and videos you have to use making for cinematic posters, so you have to using the different sizes. Okay, let us be come to the recent size, and now I don't know what the size to use the Photoshop, so that's why I can select default Photoshop size. Here you have to write the name of the project. For suppose here I can write lesson 1. So this is the width and size. So depend on the unit of measurement, some persons are using some different measurements. So as for requirement of the units, so you have to select this. I selected centimeters. Okay, so minimum అంటే సిస్టంలో డిజైన్ చేసి పెట్టుకోవాలంటే 72 resolution is enough. No, not like that. For suppose if you want to design and print means, so you have to use 300 resolution here. Okay, and this is the color modes. RGB bitmap ante, so color will be showing either black and white. Grayscale means it will show black and white color mixing. And RGB is nothing but these are the design colors, and CMYK, these are the printing colors, and this is the lab colors, that is illumination colors. అండ్ ఇక్కడ డిజైన్ కలర్స్ అయితే ఆర్జీబీ వాడాలి, ప్రింటింగ్ అయితే సిఎంఏకే వాడాలి. లేదు అంటే నేను డిఫరెంట్ పేపర్స్లో నేను యాడ్ కలర్ చేంజ్ అవ్వకుండా కావాలనుకుంటే నేను ల్యాబ్ మోడ్ అనేది వాడతాను. సో ఫస్ట్ I can use the RGB colors for the designing. So background what type of the color we require. So first you have to select either white or a black or a background, anything. So I can choose white color here, and finally I can create option here. So finally my document is came. This is known as a canvas document. Okay, so this is menu bar, and these are the option tools. This is toolbox. In the toolbox can be split into 4 parts. So first part is given to selection tools, and second part is brush type tools, and third part is shape tools, and fourth part is navigation tools. In that navigation tools, this is foreground color, and this is our background colors, and this is layer. ఒకవేళ మనకి ఇక్కడ ఇంటర్ఫేస్లో ఏవైనా ఆప్షన్స్ మనకి కనిపించకపోతే we can't see any other options for this, like this toolbox or options. So you have to go open window menu and search what type of the option we need. Okay, so go through this one, right? Understand? Okay, now today I will explain about a rectangular marquee tool. Actually rectangular marquee tool means what? This is purely for selection tool. So first you have to select file menu and click open option, and you have to open some picture image. Okay, for suppose I selected some picture image right now here, open. Now I want to select some part, rectangular part or a portion. Okay, so that's why select this rectangular marquee tool, and just you have to select this part of the portion. Why it is selected? For purpose of copy. So first you have to select copy option, and then go to the document part, and just you have to apply paste. See, automatically what happened, that part will be showing like this. But Photoshop is not a using for copy and paste. So Photoshop is used for designing purpose. Okay, so Photoshop అనేది డిజైన్ పర్పస్ కోసం యూజ్ చేసుకోవాలి, నాట్ ఏ కాపీ పేస్ట్. సో దట్స్ వై మనం ఏం చేస్తున్నామంటే ఇక్కడ ఒక ఎగ్జాంపుల్, how to prepare Indian flag. So this is the our Indian flag here. Okay, I will select this one here. See, this is in rectangular shape right now. Okay, okay, so now I will take one rectangular marquee tool, just click and drag here. So you have to showing a rectangular selection. Now I want to create a new layer, open layer menu, new and layer. So just click OK. Then select the which color, orange color, so select this one and just click OK. Okay, so now I created one layer and here orange color is there. So now I want to fill this color, right? If you want to fill foreground color, open edit menu and fill and select the foreground color, just click OK. So what happened, that color is came here. చూసారా మరి నాకు కలర్ని ఇక్కడ సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకున్నాను, కలర్ని ఫిల్ చేయడానికేమో ఎడిట్ మెనూలోకి వెళ్ళాను, ఫిల్ అనే ఆప్షన్లోకి వెళ్ళాను అండ్ ఫిల్ ఫోర్గ్రౌండ్ కలర్ అనగానే నాకు వచ్చేసింది. సో అగైన్ ఐ వాంట్ టు క్రియేట్ అనదర్ న్యూ లేయర్ ఫర్ ద పర్పస్ ఆఫ్ వైట్ పోర్షన్. ఓకే, so if you want to create another new layer, go to the layer menu, select layer and just click OK. So what happened here, another new layer is created here. Okay, మనకి మరొక కొత్త లేయర్ క్రియేట్ చేయాలంటే సో లేయర్ మెనూకి వెళ్ళి లేయర్ న్యూలోకి వెళ్ళి లేయర్లోకి వెళ్తే మనకు ఆటోమేటిక్గా లేయర్ అనేది క్రియేట్ అవుతుంది. జస్ట్ యూ హ్యావ్ గో టు ద ఫోర్గ్రౌండ్ కలర్ and select white color, just click OK. Now I want to fill foreground color. How? By using of edit menu, fill, here I selected foreground color, okay. So two layers is over and third, now I want to create third layer. Open layer menu, new and layer. Okay, just click OK. Automatically it will show another new layer. Now my requirement is green color, so go to the foreground color and choose the green color and select the color and just click OK. And what happened, color is came but it is not filled. Okay, color వచ్చింది కానీ ఇక్కడ కలర్ ఫిల్ అవ్వాలా. సో go to the edit menu, so just you have to select fill and just foreground color, just click OK. means ఇక్కడ ఏమైందంటే గ్రీన్ కలర్ ఫిల్ అయింది. ఇదేంటంటే సెలెక్షన్లో ఉంది, సో దిస్ పార్ట్ విల్ బి షోయింగ్ ఇన్ సెలెక్షన్. నౌ ఐ వాంట్ టు డీసెలెక్ట్ ద సెలెక్టెడ్ పార్ట్. ఓపెన్ సెలెక్ట్ మెను అండ్ చూస్ డీసెలెక్షన్, Ctrl+D. Okay, understand? But here 3 layers is created, but here only green color will be showing. Why? Because you have to rearrange the layers. Okay, so that's why I selected move tool and just I can use down arrow key for in my keyboard, or else just hold the shift key and drag in bottom direction like this, and you have to see, just you have to click and hold. Understand? So just select the second layer and shift and drag. See what happened, that layers will be arranged in a exact position. సో నాకు డిజైన్ అనేది ఎగ్జాక్ట్ పొజిషన్లో నేను క్రియేట్ చేసుకోవాలి కాబట్టి, సో దట్స్ వై ఐ క్రియేటెడ్ లైక్ దిస్. సి ఫర్ సపోజ్ ఐ వాంట్ టు సెలెక్ట్ ఆల్ లేయర్స్ ఎట్ ఎ టైమ్. హౌ? ఓపెన్ సెలెక్ట్ మెనూ హియర్, all layers here, and automatically what happened, all layers is selected. Now I want to reduce my scaling position, so open edit menu, select free transformation and just hold alt key and drag. Automatically what happened, all layers will be reduced at a time. Why? Because I selected all layers. After this one, just you have to press enter key. Automatically what happened, that our Indian flag is created. Okay, now I want to remove these layers, just click delete key, that's it. Okay, so that is today's topic. Okay, thank you.